Here it is, folks. Your right to peaceably assemble under the First Amendment in action and underway for its particular cause, and freedom of expression is at work at the same time. Can't be arrested in the United States for your political views, no matter what the administration thinks, feels, says, or does. Your constitutional rights still count in the United States of America. Of course, you got to keep in mind that Trump world, MAGA world, is equally entitled to express their opinions as long as it stays non-violent. Although street closures are a matter of local jurisdiction and approval by city government if it's within a city. Of course, anybody in this country also has the right to say these are radical liberal communists and such, because it's part of protected speech under the First. Cuts both ways, people. Cuts both ways. Not just your message, the other side's too. The way it's supposed to be. Although Trump administration isn't fully embracing open free speech. By the way, the First Amendment also protects the right to video people in a public place without their permission. So Fourth Amendment right to privacy gives way to the First Amendment right of the press to record and report accordingly.
Say it twice, we will not give up our rights. Say it once, say it twice, we will not give up our rights. Say it once,
And the mayor stands at the ready.
we will not give up our rights.
And more pour in to the rally.
Doing the same thing or thinking that you're going to do the same thing. I'm planning on doing.
Game planning.
There he is right there.
To anyone else can speak for you, you will speak for yourself. And don't just vote for those federal and state issues at the top of the ballot. Go all the way down to the bottom of the ballot where the local elections matters and candidates are found, because the changes, the issues, the policies that affect you and your daily life the most are decided right here in halls of power like Alameda City Power by you.
Kings, we the people pull the strings, no crowns, no kings. We the people pull the strings, no crowns, no kings. We the people pull the strings.
By 2 o'clock, 2 hours after the rally officially began, Alameda City Hall, the host and the home to the protest, is back to pretty much normal, with a notable and minor exception. In this instance today, you had freedom of speech, the right to peaceably assemble and express, largely at its very best. Of course, a one-sided view, but that's the way the First Amendment is designed. All views, almost at all times, from all persons, are equally protected. So it was today in Alameda, California.